Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Chevy Silverado 2500. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. You have front parking sensors on the front as well, just to keep you nice and safe. A look down the passenger side now. You have alloy wheels. And we're going to take a look at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side, Z71 off-road badging, leather interior, seats are very clean all the way throughout. Sunroof up top, one more look down the passenger side, and then we're going to swing around to the back end. On the back you have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. We're going to take a look at the bed now. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe, very clean, and then you also have the tonneau cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, dual heated and cooled seats. Down here you have two USB ports and a full-size plug. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23, like I said, but visit us online at holidayautomotive.com anytime. It's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.